Welcome to the People's Doctor. Today, we explore the remarkable benefits of castor oil for women over 50, focusing on nighttime rejuvenation. Aging gracefully is a beautiful journey, but our skin and body require extra care and deep nourishment to maintain their natural vitality. Castor oil is a powerful natural elixir that has been used for centuries to heal, moisturize, and protect mature skin and joints. However, the secret to unlocking its full potential lies in the timing. You must apply this golden liquid exclusively during the night. Let us discover 5 transformative ways to use castor oil before bed, maximizing its incredible healing properties while you peacefully sleep tonight. Why is nighttime the perfect moment? Your body enters a powerful restorative phase, repairing cellular damage caused by daily environmental stress factors. During deep sleep, your skin's absorption rate increases significantly, allowing the thick consistency of castor oil to penetrate deeply into the dermis. Applying it during the day exposes your skin to sunlight and pollution, which can trap dirt and cause unwanted skin irritation issues. At night, away from harsh ultraviolet rays, the ricinoleic acid in the oil works miracles to reduce inflammation and boost collagen production. By aligning your skincare routine with your natural circadian rhythm, you provide your body the exact tools it needs for optimal recovery. This nightly ritual transforms into a luxurious spa experience, soothing your mind while simultaneously repairing your skin, hair, and aching, tired joints. Let us begin with the first incredible method, which focuses entirely on firming the delicate skin around your neck and jawline area. As we age, the neck often reveals the earliest signs of sagging and fine lines due to a natural decrease in elasticity. Gently warm a few drops of castor oil between your palms and massage it upward along your neck and your jawline contour. The rich fatty acids deeply moisturize this fragile area, promoting a tighter, more lifted appearance when you wake up in the morning. Consistent nightly application stimulates blood circulation, which helps to naturally tighten loose skin and redefine the elegant curve of your beautiful jawline. You will soon notice a remarkable difference in texture as the skin becomes noticeably softer, firmer, and deeply hydrated throughout the day. Moving on to our second method, we will create a deeply nourishing sleep mask for your lips, preventing painful cracking and dryness. Mature lips often lose their natural plumpness and moisture, leading to the formation of tiny, frustrating vertical wrinkles around the mouth area. Before your head hits the pillow, simply dab a tiny amount of pure castor oil directly onto your lips and their borders. This creates a thick, protective barrier that seals in moisture, preventing overnight dehydration while softening those stubborn fine lines around your smile. You will wake up with perfectly hydrated, plump lips that look naturally youthful and feel incredibly smooth, ready to face the day. Say goodbye to expensive synthetic lip balms. This single natural ingredient provides superior hydration and lasting repair for your delicate lip tissue. Now, let us explore the third brilliant application, which targets the extremely delicate and sensitive skin located directly underneath your beautiful eyes. Dark circles, puffiness, and crow's feet are common concerns for women over 50, but castor oil offers a gentle, highly effective solution. Using your ring finger, carefully tap a single drop of the oil around the orbital bone, avoiding direct contact with your eyes. Intense hydration plumps the under-eye area, visibly smoothing out fine lines and reducing the appearance of dark, tired shadows by morning. Its natural healing properties work quietly through the night to reduce puffiness, giving you a refreshed, bright look when the sun rises. Remember that less is more here. A tiny drop is all your skin needs to absorb the rich nutrients without feeling overwhelmed. Over time, this simple nightly habit can dramatically transform your eye contour, restoring a bright, youthful sparkle to your lovely, expressive eyes. Our fourth method shifts focus from skincare to hair care, specifically addressing the health of your scalp and the strength of hair roots. Thinning hair and a dry scalp are frequent challenges as hormones shift, but nature has provided a perfect remedy to restore thickness. Section your hair before bed and apply the oil directly to your scalp, massaging it gently with your fingertips to stimulate circulation. Castor oil is famous for its ability to strengthen hair follicles, significantly reducing hair fall and encouraging the growth of new strands. By leaving it on overnight, you give the essential nutrients ample time to penetrate the hair shaft and deeply nourish the roots. You may want to protect your pillowcase with an old towel, as the oil is quite thick and can easily transfer overnight. Wash it out thoroughly in the morning with a gentle shampoo and enjoy the added volume, shine, and resilience of your hair. Finally, the fifth method addresses a very common physical complaint among mature women, providing soothing relief for painful, stiff, and dry joints. Achy knees, stiff fingers, and sore ankles can disrupt peaceful sleep, leaving you feeling very exhausted and uncomfortable the next day. Castor oil possesses profound anti-inflammatory properties that can penetrate deeply through the skin to soothe inflamed tissues and lubricate stiff joints. Warm a generous amount of the oil and massage it directly into any aching joints just a few minutes before you sleep. The gentle heat from the massage, combined with the oil's healing compounds, creates a comforting sensation that significantly eases chronic pain. Many women report waking up with improved mobility and noticeably less stiffness, allowing them to start their morning routine with newfound energy. This natural approach to joint care is a wonderful alternative to synthetic pain relief creams, offering deep, lasting comfort without unwanted chemicals. Now that you know these 5 incredible methods, how can you easily incorporate them into a manageable, completely relaxing evening routine? Begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or sunscreen, creating a clean canvas for the oil to absorb. Spend your first minute applying the oil to your neck and jawline, using upward sweeping motions to encourage lymphatic drainage and lifting. In the second minute, gently tap that tiny drop around your eyes, letting the soothing texture calm your tired facial muscles instantly. Dedicate the third minute to your lips, smoothing a generous layer over your pout to lock in essential moisture for the night. Use the fourth minute to quickly massage a few drops into your scalp, focusing primarily on areas where the hair feels thin. Finally, spend the last minute rubbing any remaining oil into your hands, knees, or any joints that feel particularly stiff or sore. This simple 5-minute ritual is not just about physical beauty. It is a profound act of self-love and personal care. As you perform these steps, take deep, calming breaths, allowing the quiet moments to signal to your brain that it is bedtime. Consistency is the absolute key to seeing real results. Make this routine a strict part of your peaceful, relaxing, nightly evening schedule. Before you rush to start using this miraculous oil, there are several crucial safety tips you must keep in mind for protection. Always perform a simple patch test on your inner wrist before applying any new product to your delicate face or sensitive scalp. Wait 24 hours to ensure you do not experience any redness, itching, or allergic reactions to the potent compounds in the oil. When purchasing your product, you must be extremely careful to select the highest quality available to ensure maximum benefits and absolute safety. Always look for labels that explicitly state the oil is cold-pressed, meaning it was extracted without using damaging heat or harsh chemicals. Heat extraction destroys many of the delicate vitamins and fatty acids that make this natural remedy so incredibly effective for your body. Furthermore, ensure the bottle clearly indicates that the product is completely hexane-free, as hexane is a toxic solvent used in manufacturing. Organic certification is another excellent indicator of purity, ensuring the castor plants were grown without harmful pesticides that could irritate your skin. Store your bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its freshness and extend its overall shelf life. A dark glass bottle is vastly superior to plastic containers, as it prevents chemical leaching and protects the oil from light degradation. Remember, castor oil is exceptionally thick and sticky, so use it sparingly. A little bit truly goes a very long way here. If you find the texture too heavy, you can easily blend it with a lighter carrier oil, like jojoba or sweet almond. Mixing it makes the application smoother while still delivering the powerful benefits of the ricinoleic acid directly into your skin and joints. Embracing natural remedies like this connects us back to ancient wisdom, proving that simplicity often holds the absolute best answers for health. Women over 50 possess a unique, radiant beauty that deserves to be celebrated and nurtured with the purest ingredients found in nature. This golden oil is more than just a cosmetic fix. It is a holistic treatment that honors your body's natural aging process. As the weeks pass, you will undoubtedly feel more confident, noticing a radiant glow and a comfortable flexibility in your daily movements. Your neck will appear firmer, your eyes brighter, and your hair noticeably thicker, all thanks to 5 simple minutes before you sleep. Share this wonderful secret with your friends and loved ones, empowering them to discover the healing magic of this incredible natural resource. We encourage you to document your journey. Take a photograph tonight and compare it again after 30 days of consistent nightly application. The visible transformation will amaze you, proving that true beauty and vitality can be effortlessly maintained with patience and the right care. Nature provides us with everything we need to heal, restore, and thrive, no matter what stage of life we are currently enjoying. Make tonight the start of your new healing journey. Grab a bottle of pure castor oil and experience the profound benefits yourself. Let the soothing touch of this golden elixir melt away the stress of your day, preparing both your body and your spirit. Sleep peacefully knowing that powerful, natural healing is taking place while you rest, renewing your vitality for the beautiful morning that awaits. Thank you so much for joining us today to explore these amazing natural health and beauty secrets tailored specifically for mature women. If you found this information valuable, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content on natural wellness and beauty. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and keep glowing. Thank you for watching The People's Doctor, your trusted guide to natural living.